Semi-adjust pressure. How to utilize the interval settings. Press Set to adjust the relevant parameters. In this first example, the intervals are set to 4. Specified as 4 periods of 120 seconds of inflation, followed by 3 periods of 40 seconds of deflation. The BFR unit inflates the cuff to reach the target pressure each time it re-inflates. During training, a timer on the display shows your current interval, remaining time for the present period, and total training time left. In this second example, the intervals are set to 1, with a total inflation time of 10 minutes. Unlike the auto-adjust pressure mode, the semi-adjust pressure mode does not automatically adjust the pressure. However, by pressing the plus or minus buttons, the pressure can be readjusted to the originally targeted pressure. You can also adjust the pressure during training by repeatedly pressing the plus or minus buttons.